Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to show you basically cut instead of the fade. I don't want to have the fade because I want it to be snappy. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. And then how you do that is with hotkeys. You can switch between scenes. So let me show you. You're gonna see this mirror, but don't worry about that. So just follow my arrows and you will know exactly what you need to do. Okay? So as you see, we have a screen plus me, and then we have a me focus, right? So if I click on my hotkey, you see me, right? And if I click my hotkey again, boom, you see the screen and me. Okay, so once again, okay. So let me show you how to set up these hotkeys. You click here, you go to settings, okay? So settings, and then you come here to hotkeys. And once you're here in hotkeys, you can see the two screens. You see screen plus me. This is this one. So I have control, and then the keypad number 1. You can put this as anything that you like, and you have control and keypad number 1 and keypad number 2. So this is how you do it. You can put it to anything you like. I could put this to control shift, I don't know, L or whatever. But I wouldn't recommend that because there are probably other things that are connected. So I just put it to control keypad 2. Anyways, that's how you do it. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a good day. See you. Bye.